Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, today, um, it's Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday today. Saturday, April the 2nd, 2022. And I've told you earlier, in today's newspaper on Saturday, we have no extra puzzles. So, what I will do is to solve the yesterday's newspaper, the additional with the Sudokus or puzzles left. We have three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and the tectonic with 1 star. And yeah, in the yesterday's newspaper on Friday, April the 1st, 2022. Well, first of the puzzle, the letter Sudoku. This will be number 4350. 4350. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. In this case, the letters, 27 printed letters. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, 27 will be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, for a letter Sudoku, I need more time. 15 to 20 minutes, because if you compare with the digits instead of the letters, every time the letters are different. The digits is always from 1 to 9. The letters we have here are the C, the O, the G, the A, the E, the P, the I, the M, and the N. And the goal is to solve this Dutch word in this row. Yes. Okay, so let's get started. We see here an M in this column, M in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the M should be there. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a G. We see here G in this column, so no G in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the G should be here. 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters I is missing and the E is missing. We see here an I, no I there. I should be here and the E should be there. I in this row, I in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the I should be here or there. We see there an I, no I there. I should be here. Then O in this row, O in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the O should be there. O in the last column, O in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places left for the O should be here or there. You see there, no O there, O should be here. Then E in this column, E in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. You see there an E, no E there, E should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an I. We see here an I in this row, so no I in these 3 boxes. Here an I in this column, so no I in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the I should be here. M in this row, M in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the M should be there. C in this column, C in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the C should be here. Then. We have here 3 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the M and the N. Sorry. The A and the N. The A and the N. We have A and N in this column, so no A and N in this box. The A and N goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. A and the N. A and the N. So 1 letter is missing in this big square for letter P. P in the last column, P in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the P should be here. 1 box left in this column for the letter G. I'm missing the G here. G, okay. Well. Then. Well, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an A. We see an A in this column. A in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the A should be here or there. We see there an A, no A there. A should be here. Now we have an A there. So this box can't be A anymore. That box should be an A. And this box should be an N. 2 missing letters in this row for the letters P is missing and the G is missing. P and a G, P and a G. We have a G there, no G there, G should be here, and the P goes there. And we solve this in 6 minutes. The word is compagnie. Yeah, same as in English. Compagnie, yes, compagnie. Let me continue with this puzzle. 1 box left in this row for the letter. The N is missing, I believe. Yeah, the N. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. N is missing and a C is missing. N and C, we have an N there, no N there. N should be here and a C goes there. 2 missing letters in this column for letters. C is missing. And M is missing. C and M, C and M. We have a C there, no C there. C should be here. And the M goes there. Then. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. P is missing and the E is missing. P and a E, P and a E. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here, and the P goes there. E. Then N in this column, N in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the N should be here or there. We see there an N, no N there. N should be here. Then. P. E. 2 missing letters in this row for the letters. G is missing and the O is missing. G and O in this row. We have an O there, no O there. O should be here and the G goes there. So we have a G in this row, G in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the G. G should be here or there. We see there G, no G there. G should be here. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. P is missing and the E is missing. P and the E, P and the E. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here. And the P goes there. 2 missing letters in this column for letters. I is missing. And the letter E is missing. I and the E. The other 2 letters in this big square are the letters P is missing. And C is missing. We have a P there, no P there. P should be here. And the C goes there. Okay. Yeah, we have a pair. In this big square, 9 missing letters. 2 of those missing letters are the G and the P. We have we have a G and a P in the third row, so no G and a P in these 3 boxes. We have a G and a P in the second row, so no G and a P in the second in these 3 boxes, and we have a G and a P in the first column, so no G and a P in those 3 boxes. So G and a P goes in these 2 boxes, G and a B, G and a P. Okay. And now A, C, C, C. Come on. Almost finished. Oh. The missing letters here in the last row. A is missing. M is missing. And a P is missing. P. Okay. How about these 3 missing letters in this row? The O is missing. C is missing. And N is missing. OCN. No, cannot fill this yet. C in this row. C in the third row. So the row between, only 3 places left for the C. Should be here, or there. We see there C, no C there C. Could be here, could be there. M in this row. M in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the M should be here, or there. We see there M. No M there, so M could be here, could be there. O in this row. O in the third row. So in the row between, the only 3 places left for the O should be here, or there. We see there no O there. O could be here, could be there. Come on. How about these 3 missing letters? The A is missing. I is missing. And the N is missing. Come on. Cannot fill this yet. Where is the opening? P. What G? Overlooked. G and a P. We already have a G there. So this cannot be a G anymore. That box should be a G. And this box should be a P. G. P in this column, P in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the P should be here or there. We see that P, no P there, P should be here. 2 missing letters in the last row for the letters A and M. We have an A there, no A there. A should be here, and the M goes there. A in this column, A in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the A. Could be here, could be there. M in the third column. Now we have an M here. I've marked those 2 boxes with M. So this box can't be an M anymore. That box should be an M. Okay. Then the P. Come on, the I. Yeah, I in the third column, I in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the I. Could be here, could be there. G, the A. How about this? N. There should be an N here. And an E. E in the third column. E in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. You see there an E? No E there. E should be here. Now we have an E there. So this box can be E anymore. That box should be an E. And this box should be an I. Yeah, 2 missing letters in the third row. Those missing letters are the A and the N. We have an N here, so no N there. N should be here and the A goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters A and the I. A and the I. We have an A there, no A there. A should be here and the I goes there. Now we have an I there, so this box can't be I anymore. That box should be an I. And I've eliminated the O, so the O goes here. And I've eliminated the C, so the C goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the letter N. N. Yes, this should be the N. N in this column. N in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the N should be there. 2 missing letters. The O and the C are missing in this big square. O and the C. We have an O here, so no O there. O should be here. And the C goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Well, told you, between 15 and 20 minutes I need for solving a letter Sudoku. And I've solved this in 70 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. 2 stars Sudoku and a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.